Hi everyone. I'd like to talk with you just a little bit about our work this last week on our discussion board assignment on learners with emotional and behavioral disorders, and to visit with you briefly about next week's assignment on learners with communication disorders, and one last time remind you about the internet research assignment that's coming up within the next couple weeks. First of all, with respect to this last week's discussion board assignment on learners with emotional and behavioral disorders, I was really pleased with the content of your reports. Everyone posted some very good reports containing some thoughtful content about issues with respect to learners with emotional and behavior disorders. I could see from your reports and from your replies to one another on this last assignment that you've all been really thinking about the needs of learners with emotional and behavioral disorders with respect to what they need behaviorally, emotionally, and educationally. That's some very good thinking, and there's some great conversations that are continuing between everyone online. Um, Hopefully you've had a chance to take a look at the questions that I've posed for you to consider in each of your individual discussion board threads. I try to do that each week, not to have you respond to me, but again to have you think about how you might apply some of the things and think through some of the concepts within this course. Make sure that you take a look at those, and then also that you look at my general feedback from this comments from this assignment that can be found in the feedback button on our Blackboard site, as well as any comments that I may have made to you individually in the Grade Center. I've said this before, I'll say it again. I'm really pleased with the content and the quality of the discussions in this class. We're really coming together, I believe, as a great learning community. Now, with respects to this next week's assignment on learners with communication disorders, please note that I've added a third assignment option for you to consider in completing your assignment. As I mentioned to you in my video last week, I continue to struggle to find ways to kind of move this class beyond a discrete question and answer format, and that's okay, but I would like to provide some options. And so this class actually represents a very wide spectrum of experiences. Many of you are in undergraduate teaching preparation programs, but some class members are working in the field as paraeducators in preschools and teachers. And so we want to capitalize on the experiences of the folks who are out there in the field right now. And so I found a way, I think, to kind of help do that a little bit more than what we've done thus far in this class. I've had some discussions this last week with people, and again, if you've read my last announcement, that we really have found a way, I think, to help build upon some of those experiences and share some of those experiences for those who are interested. Given all this, I provided a third option for consideration, a way to differentiate, if you will, with respect to experience to some degree and interest, a way to provide you to maybe respond a little bit differently to the content of the chapters that we read, if you so desire. There are three options. I'll try to provide three options on additional discussion board assignments as well. You choose the one that best fits with your own experience and your desires. I would encourage you to find the option that really works best for you and you think will help you apply and learn the concepts and the ideas that we're discussing in this class. Okay, enough said for next week. Remember, I've reminded you a couple times in the past, but in just 2 weeks, on Friday, March 18th, the Internet research assignment is due. I would encourage you to take a look at the requirements for that assignment that are outlined in the Internet research assignment button in Blackboard. There's a rubric there as well, and also a place to submit your assignment. As always, let me know if you have questions about that particular assignment or anything else related to this course. Take care, everyone, and I wish you all to have a great week.